Alright guys, so now I'm at Snowco and I just got a GTS 3M, so let's get open it. Alright, so now I got these cubes, so I got the stand. Gotta open this up, Mom, stop. Alright, so, but first before I'm gonna get into first turns, I'm gonna look at this stuff. Alright, so I got the tensioning tool, screwdriver, a packet. Let's see who I got in my card. I got Sung Byung Cho, former world record holder. So now let's get into first turns. Okay, that is really dry. Yeah, you're alright. Yeah, so it's really locky off the bat. The speed is really nice. Yeah, it's pretty tight. So I'm gonna tension it and then come back to you all. Alrighty guys, so I just finished tensioning it. It's really cool. I really like it. So now I'm gonna get an opinion from another cuber after he finishes his solve. Okay, he just DNF'd. What is your name, kind sir?
Cameron.
You want your face on YouTube?
Oh, you do.
Okay. Alright, no, he's good. What do you think about the cube?
Very dry.
Okay. Would you use this as your main?
Probably not.
If it was lube. Alright. So that's an opinion from one cuber. Okay.
You're not using that as your main.